Hello, welcome to solve this maths problem, which is 3 to the power of x plus 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 3 to the power of x, which is equal to 120. Find the value of x from the given equation. Solution. So from our problem, let's write 3 to the power of x plus 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 3 to the power of x, which is equal to 120. So as we have seen from this equation, we have like terms 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 like terms. So we can factor out 3 to the power of x, 3 to the power of x into 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1, which is equal to 120. So let's sum up this one. 3 to the power of x times, that will be 5, which is equal to 120. Then let's divide both sides by 5. So 3 to the power of x times 5 divided by 5, which is equal to 120 divided by 5. So 5 is cancelled out by 5, so the remaining will be 3 to the power of x, which is equal to, let's divide this one, that's 120 divided by 5, 2 times 10, so 20 divided by 5, 4. So we get 24. Now let's introduce logarithm. So log of 3 to the power of x is equal to log of 24. So this power will come to the base, and this will be x log of 3, which is equal to log of 24. Now let's divide both sides by log 3. So x log of 3 divided by log of 3, which is equal to log of 24 divided by log of 3. So log 3 is cancelled out by log 3, and the remaining will be x, which is equal to log of 24 divided by log of 3. So now we have log 3 in the denominator, so we can rewrite this 24 as 24 is equal to 3 times 8. So this x, which is equal to log of 24, can be written as 3 times 8 divided by log of 3. So from logarithmic identity, we know that log of a times b can be written as log of a plus log of b. So let's apply this expression or this rule in the numerator. So x will be log of 3 plus log of 8 divided by log of 3. Now let's separate these terms. X is equal to log of 3 divided by log of 3 plus log of 8 divided by log of 3. So as you have seen here, this log 3 divided by log 3 will be 1. X is equal to 1 plus log of 8 divided by log of 3. So as you have seen here, log 8 cannot be, or 8 is not divisible by 3. So we can write 8 as 8, which is equal to 2 cubed. So x is equal to 1 plus log of 2 the power of 3 divided by log of 3. So this will be, now we have x, so this x would be 1 plus this power will come to the base 3 log of 2 divided by log of 3. So this x is equal to 1 plus 3 times log of 2 divided by log of 3, and from rule of logarithm we know that log of a divided by log of b is equal to log of a to the base b. So applying this identity into this expression, finally x will be 1 plus 3 log of 2 to the base 3 is the final value of x in the given equation. Now we have to check whether it is correct or not. Let's check. We have given 3 the power of x plus 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 3 the power of x, which is equal to 120. So this term can be expressed 3 the power of x times 5, which is equal to 120. Let's rewrite this one as 5 times 3 the power of x, which is equal to 120. Now let's substitute the value of x into this equation. So 5 times 3 the power of 1 plus log of 2 to the base 3 times 3, which is equal to 120. Now from rule of exponent, a the power of n plus m can be written as a the power of n times a the power of m. So applying this one, 5 times 3 the power of 1 times 3 the power of 3 log of 2 to the base 3 is equal to 120. So 5 times 3, which is 15, times 3, so we can take this to the power, so 3 the power of log of 2 the power of 3 to the base 3 is equal to 120. So 50 times 3 the power of log of this 2 cubed will be 8 to the base 3 is equal to 120. Now let's simplify these terms. So from rule of logarithm, for a, log of b to the base a will be b. So apply this one to this one. So this will be 50 times this term according to this expression. According to this expression, this will be 8, which is equal to 120. Now let's multiply this one. That's 15 times 8. 8 times 40, carry 4, 8 times 1, 8 plus 4, 12. So 120 is equal to 120. So our answer, which is x, which is equal to 1 plus 3 log of 2 to the base 3, is the correct solution for the given equation. Thank you very much for watching. Have a nice time. Bye bye.